how to get Waterford latest discount coupon so that you can buy your favorite product with the best discount. Just you have to go to this website. Also you can click my video description link. Then here you can see right now you will get 15% off discount with coupon. Just click shop now button, buy all of this product with 15% off discount. Also you can copy the coupon, apply in the coupon option, you will get free shipping. Also here you can see the gift opportunities and you will get 30% off on the selected collection. Just click shop now button, then it will redirect you to the official website and give you 30% off discount. Here you can see, just click shop now button, you will get all of this product 30% off discount, which is really great. If you need any kind of support, go to the website last option, click on this contact us option page. They will provide you the best support. I hope my video help you. Make sure you like my video, share my video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.